Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use food as props in the latest Just to Impress winter update. So you're going to go to free play and you're going to go here to the Cafe de Diva, and you're able to select from these items. The thumbnail isn't working right now, but there's brownies, cinnamon rolls, some cookies, some drinks, and some bagels. Just select the one you want and press confirm, and that's it. Now you can use that as a prop. When you take pictures, just take pictures here in photo mode, and you won't be able to see the drop hot cocoa or stuff like that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.